Kenya, and welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also be sure to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any videos. And there's lots and lots of content for you guys to check out, so you don't want to miss that. Also, guys, today I am so super excited because I am participating in a closed group collaboration, which is hosted by my sweet friend here on YouTube, Nicole Northgarden. I will have her channel linked here. So Nicole gathered a group of ladies together, and we're all showing you guys how we're going to clean and decorate a space in our home. And this is a hop, so that means when you're done watching my video here, be sure to check my description box down below, because I will have the channel link to the next person for you to hop over to so you can check out their video. That's so much fun, guys, and then you don't have to worry about going through a playlist. You can just kind of hop from one video to the next to the next. So I will encourage you to be sure to follow all the way through the hop. And if you're new here from one of the other ladies' channels, then welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. Alrighty, guys, so in my video, I am going to refresh my entryway, which is where I am right now. So let me also preface this video by saying that I want to say a huge thank you so much to King of Christmas for sending me out this absolutely beautiful flocked Christmas tree that you will see in the unboxing of this video, and you kind of see it here right there. So yes, thank you so much to them. If you guys are interested, we are in July, and so this is Christmas in July, right? They are having a huge sale, so I will leave on the screen here below the discount code that you can use. I will have a link in my description box, so you just click on that link, make your purchase. They have lots of Christmas trees and other items on sale and on clearance right now, and you get another discount on top of that, guys. So now is the time to shop, to get your savings, and to use my discount code. So all of that will be in the description box below, and the discount code is here for you guys to check that out. Alrighty, guys, so with all that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Okay, guys, so here's what the entryway looks like with my summer decor, and we're going to be changing this all out. And I'm excited to be unboxing this King of Christmas tree also. So yep, this is the space. This is where the Christmas tree will go. So let's clean everything up and get it redecorated. So inside the box there is the tree stand for the tree, of course, and it looks pretty sturdy, pretty you know, standard. And then I thought this was pretty cool that it also includes a Christmas tree storage bag, so that is awesome. And also with the instructions and the little manual for the Christmas tree, it comes with gloves, so I thought that was so neat. So yeah, those are the instructions, and of course here is the absolutely beautiful flocked tree. So here my husband is putting the tree together, and guys, it is super easy. It's basically as easy as 1, 2, 3. You just put the base on the floor, and you put the next one in, screw it in, put the next layer and the next layer, just like that. Super easy. It's nothing hard about it at all. One thing about this tree is it is not pre-lit, so I will decide if I will add any lights to it or not, but I'm just showing you guys how the branches look on the tree. It's very pretty. And here are the gloves that came with the tree, so when I'm ready to fluff the tree, my arms and hands are protected. And here is the tree all fluffed out, and it is absolutely gorgeous. It is so very pretty. I'm already dreaming of a white Christmas and I'm looking forward to having a winter wonderland in my entryway. So yes, I'm so excited about this tree. I think it's so very beautiful. and it's going to look great decorated for fall as well as Christmas. Also, guys, I should mention that there was hardly any fallout from the tree, not much at all. So now that everything is fluffed, it's time to decorate the rest of the space. So I'm using this table runner that I picked up from Dollar Tree. It has like a damask print on it in this beautiful bright orange color. And I thought this would be perfect for what I'll be doing for my fall decor this year. So I'm using it as a tree skirt. And you can see how super cute it looks. I love how it looks under this tree. I'm so excited to have this tree and be decorating it for fall. And so for now, I'm going to leave it as is and just put the skirt there. And we'll move on to the next areas in the house. So here on the entryway table, I'm just going to remove all of the items that were there so that I can wipe everything down and have a clean slate to start with. So now I'm using these white candlesticks along with some white candles that I had in another part of my home to decorate the lower half of the entryway table. And I'm also going to use the same lantern that I had in the entryway, just in a different spot. So I'm just using that, and actually that pedestal is a candlestick also that I got from Bath and Body Works a couple years ago. Also, I have this beautiful white leaf plate. It actually was brown and I spray painted it. And actually, guys, I thought that I had gotten that footage filmed, but for some reason it did not. So you guys missed me spray painting it, but that's okay. And so for the top portion of the entryway table, I'm using this wall art piece as a tray. You guys saw me use that previously. And so, yeah, although you did see there's words on it, that is not a problem because they will be easily hidden by this picture that I will use as a vase. And I'll be using these vibrant orange color eucalyptus stems that I got from Target a couple years ago as a filler for the vase. Now I'll be using this decorative piece that I picked up from the at-home store to complement this vignette, and I will be showing you guys a shopping haul coming up soon when I picked up this item as well as a few other items, so be sure to check back on the channel. Also, I'm adding this super cute little white ceramic fox that I picked up from Target a few years back. And I think he's the perfect little complement to this vignette. So let's look back at our progress so far. And I think everything is coming together nicely. I really like all of the white pieces. And so I think it gives a really bright and fresh look. But of course, as we move closer into the fall season, I'll be adding more fall festiveness. But this is just a nod to fall so far. Now for the other half of the entryway, this is what everything was looking like for the summer. So I will remove all of these items. And now here is the look for the fall, or our late summer look, we will call it. But I think this is really nice. I think it's really moving in the right direction as it relates to the colors that I'll be focusing on for fall this year. And I think it looks really, really pretty. This gather sign I picked up from the, I think, Dollar General store a couple of years ago. And that vase is actually from a store called Palais Royal. And the magnolia leaves are from the At Home store last year after season. And the gray bag was gifted to me by one of my YouTube friends. And the scarf is from Target. And I think everything pairs together nicely for this portion of the entryway where our guests can hang their bags and leave their shoes when they come over to visit. So let's pan around the space and see what we've done so far. And we have our entryway table decorated. We have our King of Christmas tree up with the Dollar Tree table runner tree skirt. And also, we will pan around here a bit and see behind the door, which is our coat rack, and how we have it decorated. And I think everything is looking really pretty. And so I decided to also bring back the chair that was where the Christmas tree is and added a furry pillow in it so that my guests will be able to sit down and remove their shoes if they needed to. And the other chair is still in its original place, and I added in a orange throw blanket for, again, another layer of festiveness and to really bring everything together with the orange and the florals to the tree skirt. And I also did add a couple of candles there next to the lamp. And so there are a few splashes of orange here and there to kind of tie the look together. Okay guys, so I hope that you all have enjoyed this video, and if so, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. That helps me out tremendously. Guys, like, you don't even know how much that helps me out. It truly does. It tells YouTube that you guys enjoy this type of content and they continue to push it out for others to see as well. So that helps tremendously. It also helps when you leave comments. So I'd like you to leave a comment down below to let me know what you think of my entryway refresh. As you guys can see, I am preparing for fall. We're still in July, I do realize that, but I am getting ready for fall. Starting August, I will definitely be full-fledged fall. And so I'm starting out with just a few little accent pieces here. And of course, I will be decorating this beautiful tree for fall. You guys know I love decorating fall trees. Also, guys, be sure to just check out my content because I have, the last 2 years, I did do fall trees on my channel. The first year was a neutral colored fall tree, really kind of farmhouse inspired. And then last year, my fall tree, so that was 2018. And then 2019, my fall tree was traditional Tuscan, like giving you all the fall vibes and fall colors, and just, it was giving me life. Last year, I was so in love with the traditional colors, and not to say that I was not in love with the neutral colors as well, because I totally was. And so this year I'm gonna probably do some combination of both. So you guys want to stay tuned and keep up with me because I will take you along as I decorate my entire home for the fall season. Alrighty guys, I hope that you all again have enjoyed this video. Please be sure to go ahead and click the subscribe button if you haven't already. And also make sure that your notification bell is on so that you won't miss any videos. And I will say I have had a few of my faithful family members message me saying that they were not notified of my videos. So somehow they got unsubscribed or they didn't have their bell clicked or whatever. So make sure you are subscribed by hitting that red button. And then you'll also get a little bell icon. You click that and it will ask you if you want all notifications. Yes, you want all notifications. Alrighty guys, so I will look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye-bye. To all of my faithful family members, you guys know I love you so, so much. Bye, guys.